Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the required reinforcement area for this small slab, concrete slab. Actually, in my previous video for this slab, I ran calculations and I also showed how to display slab results on maps, also how to display slab results in tabular forms. So these three things was done in previous video. Now here, as I said, I'll show you how to calculate the reinforcement area. So to do this, first I have to set calculation options required reinforcement. So how to do that? Go design and just click here, required reinforcement of RC slab and wall. Click here. Now this layout, it is divided in three parts. One is view, another is reinforcement dialog, another is slab and shell reinforcement dialogs. So three things we got. Now if I go to slab and shell reinforcement dialog, in limit states we have to be sure with that ULS, here it is 5, SLS it is 6. This is nothing but number of load cases. These two are the combination 1 and combination 2. It was shown in previous video. Now here one important thing, say here equivalent, this one wooden armor, already it is here. Sometimes if you have other things, you have to bring on this, same wooden armor should be here. Another thing, say here I put, I deselect it to show that if reduction of forces is in this situation, we have to select it. So all these things we have to done or check first. Then once it is done, then we have to calculate. So click on calculate. It is calculating. Right away the calculation status dialog opens and very clearly it says the admissible slab deflection value which have been exceeded. So has been exceeded for panel number 1. This is actually panel number 1. So we can close it. So we now got it. Now our next task will be to display the maps of required reinforcement area. How to do that? Come here on this reinforcement dialog. In area, select this X minus in the required reinforcement group here. Now done. Now go to scale tab. Select 256 colors. As well, bottom we have to look at here. Select with descriptions and open new window with scale displayed, that to be selected also. So once all this thing done, click apply. So new window opens And let's minimize this. We got it. Map of reinforcement for the selected area, we can see it here. But largest amount of required reinforcement, it is located, we can see here, it is in the red area. Very clearly we can understand this. It is in the red area. Now click exit to close the maps for panel windows. Now we will display the maps of deflection. So what to do for that? Here in scale tab, instead 256 colors, we will select automatic scale. Now again come to this SLS and look at deflection U. Click here and make sure this will be, description will be with the tick. So we are done. Click apply. Make sure this is tick, then with description also tick, and click apply. But one important things we have to do, say this one, description positions, let's take it up. Finite element center, take it extreme points. Once it is done, click apply. Nice. The view displays the maps of deflections for panel. We can see it here. Let's make it down. So we got it. Largest deflection, if we look at, it is located in the middle of the slab, dark blue areas. Now we want to deselect this. So in SLS deflection U, just deselect this. If I click on apply, it will disappear. Now we will display the results of required reinforcement in tabular formats. So how to do that? We will go for, say, design and come here. Required reinforcement of slab, walls, options, code, calculation, come this point, table and slab and shell reinforcement. Click here. Table opens. We got the table. Okay. Now what you can do here, just anywhere, right click, select these table columns. Once you got this, now in this reinforcement tab, here spacing E, we can select this X minus, we can select this X plus. we want to add this spacing E. As well, in SLS, we will go for selecting the deflection U as this one. Basically, these 3 columns will be added here. So now if I click OK, right away these 3 columns are added to this reinforcement area table. We can see it here, these 3 new columns. Now, if we click on global extremes, you see here that 3 is here, this part. So we are done for reinforcement area tables. So I think that's all for this video.